In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate notifications in Process.st, making your workflows more efficient and keeping everyone on track without having to manually send reminders. By the end of this video, you'll be able to set up notifications with ease, and I'll even share how you can start using Process.st for free, with an exclusive extended trial available through the link below. If you've never used Process.st before, it's a powerful tool designed to streamline your processes and ensure nothing gets missed. One of the most useful features in Process.st is the ability to automate notifications, which can save you time and reduce human error. It's perfect for automating task reminders and keeping your team updated on important changes. To get started with automating notifications, first create a new workflow or open an existing one in Process.st. Once you're in your workflow, navigate to the Tasks section, where you can set up actions like reminders and notifications. You'll see a variety of options that allow you to choose when you want your notifications to be sent, whether it's after a task is completed, when it's overdue, or even at specific intervals. Now, to set up a notification, click on the task you want to automate notifications for. Inside the task, you'll find a Notifications tab. Here, you can add new notification actions. You can notify your team or any specific members whenever something happens with that task. The best part is you can customize the message to ensure it's relevant to the recipient. For example, let's say you want a notification every time a task is completed or a checklist is marked off. You can set up an automatic reminder that goes out to whoever is responsible for the next task in the process. This ensures that no one is left in the dark, and the workflow continues smoothly without delays. If you're working with multiple users and want to keep everyone in the loop, you can add as many recipients as needed. You can even use dynamic data in your notifications to personalize them, like adding the assignee's name or task details automatically. Now, let's talk about scheduling your notifications. This is where things get really useful. You can choose to send notifications immediately after a task is completed, or you can schedule them to be sent at a specific time. This is great for setting reminders for recurring tasks or deadlines that need to be revisited regularly. Another great feature is the ability to automate notifications for overdue tasks. If a task goes past its deadline, Process.st will automatically notify the person responsible, helping you stay on top of any delays. This is perfect for teams that need constant updates and accountability to ensure projects stay on track. Lastly, if you want to get even more granular with your notifications, you can also use Process.st's Zapier integration to send notifications to other tools like Slack, email, or even text messages. This makes Process.st even more powerful by integrating it with the tools you're already using. So if you're new to Process.st and wondering how to automate notifications effectively, now you know exactly how to do it. This feature is one of the easiest ways to enhance your workflows and make sure everyone is on the same page without having to manually chase people down for updates. Remember, you can try Process.st completely free, and the link below gives you access to an exclusive extended free trial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.